Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix the CapCut audio not syncing problem. So to do that, let's head over to the Play Store first. So tap on search and search for CapCut. Search for it, and here I'm searching for the CapCut app and see if there is any update available. If there is, make sure you update your app and then just go to your CapCut, and in here skip this part and go to your video that you are editing, or you can also start a new project. Now adjust your timeline or whatever editing you need, and then try to export again, and hope this time this audio will be synced. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below, and we will see you in the next video.